Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever received a long WhatsApp voice messages and you did not have time or privacy to listen? Don't worry, WhatsApp now allows you to convert voice messages into text. WhatsApp has introduced a voice message transcript feature. When this feature is enabled, WhatsApp automatically converts voice messages into readable text on your screen. You just need to come on your WhatsApp settings, then just go a little down and tap on WhatsApp chats. Here on the fourth voice message transcript feature is available. To use this feature, first make sure your WhatsApp is updated. Then open WhatsApp settings, go to chat, just follow these simple steps. You can also select your preferred language for better accuracy. Now, whenever you received a voice message, voice note, just tap on transcript and within seconds the message will appear in text form. This feature works offline and keeps your message private. If you found this short tutorial is helpful, please like the video, share it with friends and subscribe to the channel for more tech updates. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.